Imagine if you could launch a complete affiliate campaign with landing pages, ad creatives, emails, and tracking, all in just a few minutes without using 5 different tools. That's exactly what RecurHub does. Inside RecurHub, everything is managed from one simple dashboard where you can view your campaigns, leads, clicks, and page views in real time. On the left side, you'll find menus such as campaigns, integrations, analytics, ROI calculator, leads, webhook, agency, settings, and tutorial. We'll start with the integration section and finish with the main feature, campaign creation. In the integration section, we have added autoresponders that you can connect to collect leads easily. In the analytics section, you'll find detailed insights, including the number of leads, total visits, total clicks, traffic overview. Next is the ROI calculator, where you can estimate your campaign earnings based on leads, conversion rate, commission per sale, and ad spend. Simply enter the values or adjust the sliders, and it will calculate your revenue, profit, and other key metrics. In the leads section, you can view, manage, and take action on your leads as needed. In the webhook section, you can connect RecurHub with other tools to automatically send data whenever specific events happen. To get started, simply enter a webhook name to identify your connection, then add your endpoint URL, which is usually provided by platforms like Zapier or other automation tools. You also have the option to apply the webhook to a specific campaign or leave it set to all campaigns. Below that, you can choose which events will trigger the webhook, such as when a lead is captured, a link is clicked, a page is visited, or a pop-up is triggered. Once everything is set up, you can test the webhook to make sure it's working correctly and then click Save to activate it. This allows you to automate workflows and instantly send your data to other applications without any manual effort. In the agency section, you can add agency users, manage their accounts, and give them access to RecurHub. Each user gets their own dashboard to manage their work independently. In the settings section, you can add subdomains and custom domains and assign them to campaigns. The form fill option allows you to store details that will be used to automatically pre-fill affiliate sign-up forms, separate from your login credentials with the help of the extension we have provided. Your API key is generated automatically and should be kept private. In the download section, you can install the approved Chrome extension to simplify the sign-up process on affiliate platforms. The white label option lets you customize your brand name, logo, favicon, and primary colors. Now, let's move to the campaign section. Click on Campaign Creation, and you'll be redirected to the Setup page. Start by entering your campaign name, then add your domain and subdomain. You can manage domains from the Settings section, where you can add a subdomain or configure a custom domain. After adding, return to the campaign page, refresh, and select your domain. Next, choose an affiliate platform and grab your referral link. You can register directly and view commission details. Then enter your service details, including the service name and affiliate URL. Your affiliate link will be converted into a clean, cloaked link that redirects users properly. Add a service description manually or generate it using AI. In the next step, you can add tracking codes such as Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. You can also enable features like exit intent pop-ups and connect your autoresponder for lead forms. After that, move to the ad creation section, where you can generate ad images, email copy, and social posts. For email copy, simply click on the Generate Email option, and the AI will create a well-structured email for you. Similarly, for social posts, select your preferred platform and click Generate to instantly create engaging post content. In the Ad Creative section, you can either enter your own content or let the AI generate it automatically. Choose an ad format such as Facebook, Instagram, or Google, then generate ad images within seconds. Select the images you like and proceed to the next step. Finally, you'll create your landing page. You can create your landing page using one of 3 available options. The first option is a bridge page, which allows you to create a simple pre-sale page to warm up your traffic before sending them to your main offer. You can choose from different layouts such as minimal, authority, video, choice, or story. You have the option to manually enter all the details, or you can use the Generate with AI feature, which will automatically create content for you, including the top label, headline with highlighted words, subheadline, body text, button text, button URL, button color, background image, and footer description. Once everything is set, you can click Save Bridge Page, and your pre-sale page will be created. Alternatively, you can create a landing page either by generating it with AI, based on your service information, or by selecting from pre-built templates. After choosing one of these options, you will be taken to the editor, where you can customize the text, images, and layout according to your needs. Once you are satisfied with your design, simply click Publish, and your campaign will be created successfully. You will then be redirected to the campaign dashboard, where you can manage your campaign using options such as generating a QR code, copying the link, using a cloaked link, duplicating, editing, viewing ad creatives, or deleting the campaign. You can also preview your landing page using the page link or cloaked link. When users visit your page, and fill out the form, you will start receiving leads. This completes the overview of RecurHub's powerful features. We hope you enjoy using our product. Thank you for watching this tutorial.